boys here, let's go! I don't know if you guys heard that, but I think we got ourselves a little spun bearing. I kind of set on the limiter a little bit. Just, you know, for a few seconds. Let's hear it. Yeah, it's making noises. Ooh. Yep, that's probably a spun bearing. So those are going away for a while. I never rebuilt an engine before. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna rebuild an engine. What better time, right? I got 2 months until the first drift event. It's right now February. First drift event's like April 1st, I think. Something like that. I guess I'm gonna pull the engine out and rebuild it. I mean, it's fine because I wanted to boost it eventually, so might as well put a metal head gasket in there, ARP head studs, all that shit, and just freshen it up for boost, you know, and then we're gonna hit 600 horsepower because fuck it, you know. I'm hoping to hit 666. That would be a good number to hit. So 666 horsepower, that's what we're aiming for. So much fun though. So much fun. Alright, ding dongs. Thanks for watching. Hopes and prayers. Wish me luck. Subscribe if you haven't. Like the video. Comment. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
America. Do you have your passport? Did you get your